Looking for the best induction cooktop? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best induction cooktops you can buy right now. I'll compare cooking performance, temperature control, features, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. We have included links in the description. Number 1. NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, 10.25-inch shatterproof ceramic glass, 6.5 heating coil, 45 temps from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 wattage settings 600, 900 and 1300 watts. The NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is designed for home cooks who want fast, energy-efficient cooking in a compact and portable package. It's best known for its 45 precise temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, durable shatterproof ceramic glass surface, and 3 adjustable power levels of 600W, 900W, and 1300W. Whether you're preparing meals in a small apartment, RV, dorm room, or simply need extra cooking space during the holidays, this induction cooktop offers excellent flexibility without taking up much counter space. In real-world use, the NUWAVE Flex heats cookware significantly faster than many traditional electric burners because it transfers energy directly to compatible induction cookware. This allows water to boil quickly while giving users precise temperature control for delicate sauces, frying, simmering, or slow cooking. One thing to remember is that induction technology requires magnetic cookware, so aluminum or glass cookware without an induction-compatible base will not work. Overall, the NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is an excellent choice for American homeowners, college students, RV travelers, and anyone looking for fast, precise, and energy-efficient cooking in a compact portable appliance. Number 2. Carrynear 2-burner electric cooktop 110V, portable electric stove with handle, knob control electric hot plate, ceramic countertop burner, timer, safety lock, 9 power level, 2000W, 24-inch. The Carrynear 2-burner electric cooktop is built for users who need the convenience of 2 cooking zones in a portable electric stove. It's best known for its dual ceramic burners, 2000-watt heating power, 9 adjustable power levels, built-in timer, safety lock, and easy-to-use rotary knob controls. Whether you're cooking in an apartment, dorm room, vacation home, RV, or adding extra burners during large family gatherings, this cooktop offers the flexibility to prepare multiple dishes at once. In everyday use, the 2 independent burners make it easy to boil pasta while simultaneously frying vegetables, heating soup, or preparing side dishes. Unlike induction cooktops, the ceramic heating surface works with nearly all types of flat-bottom cookware, including stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, and many non-stick pots and pans, eliminating the need for special cookware. The simple knob controls allow quick temperature adjustments, while the timer and safety lock add convenience and peace of mind during busy cooking sessions. Although ceramic burners generally take slightly longer to heat and cool compared to induction technology, they provide consistent cooking performance and broad cookware compatibility, making them a versatile choice for many households. Overall, the Carrynear 2-burner electric cooktop is an excellent option for American buyers looking for a reliable, portable electric stove with dual burners, straightforward controls, and the flexibility to cook multiple meals using almost any standard cookware. Number 3. Duckstop Portable Induction Cooktop, Countertop Burner Induction Hotplate with LCD Sensor Touch 1800 watts, Black 9610 LSBT 200DZ. The Duckstop 9610 LS Portable Induction Cooktop is one of the most trusted induction burners for home kitchens, RVs, dorm rooms, and apartments. It's best known for its 1800-watt heating power, responsive LCD touch controls, multiple temperature and power settings, and fast, energy-efficient cooking performance. For American buyers looking to add an extra burner or replace a traditional hotplate, the Duckstop offers an excellent balance of speed, precision, and convenience. In real-world use, the induction technology heats compatible cookware directly, allowing water to boil much faster than many conventional electric burners while using less energy. The precise temperature controls make it easy to simmer soups, melt chocolate, fry foods, sear meats, or prepare delicate sauces without constantly adjusting the heat. The smooth black glass surface is easy to wipe clean after cooking, and its lightweight design makes it simple to move between the kitchen, RV, cabin, or outdoor cooking area with electrical access. Built-in safety features such as automatic pan detection, overheat protection, and an automatic shut-off function provide additional peace of mind during everyday cooking. One important consideration is that induction cooking requires magnetic cookware such as cast iron or induction-compatible stainless steel. Aluminum, copper, and glass cookware without a magnetic base will not function on this cooktop. Overall, the Duckstop 9610LS is an outstanding choice for American homeowners, students, travelers, and anyone looking for a dependable, portable induction cooktop that delivers fast heating, accurate temperature control, and excellent everyday cooking performance. Number 4. Changbird Induction Cooktop, commercial grade portable cooker, large 8-inch heating coil, premium stainless steel countertop burner with NSF certified, 10 hours timer, powerful 1800W professional hot plate. The Changbird commercial grade induction cooktop is built for serious home cooks and professional kitchens that demand consistent performance and long-term durability. It's best known for its commercial grade stainless steel construction, powerful 1800 watt output, large 8-inch heating coil, NSF certification, and extended 10-hour timer, making it an excellent choice for restaurants, catering businesses, food trucks, and demanding home kitchens. In everyday use, the Changbird delivers rapid heating and highly accurate temperature control for boiling, sautéing, frying, simmering, and slow cooking. The large heating area accommodates a wider range of cookware sizes than many compact induction burners, while the stainless steel housing is designed to withstand frequent use in busy cooking environments. Its responsive controls make it easy to adjust cooking temperatures quickly, and the long timer is particularly useful for slow-cooked meals, stocks, sauces, or extended food preparation. Because induction technology transfers heat directly into compatible cookware, the cooking process is energy efficient and helps keep surrounding kitchen areas cooler than traditional electric burners. While this cooktop offers commercial-level durability, buyers should remember that induction-compatible cookware is required. Its industrial design also prioritizes function over decorative styling, making it better suited for serious cooking than for matching modern kitchen decor. Overall, the Changbird Induction Cooktop is an excellent investment for American chefs, caterers, restaurant owners, and home cooks who want commercial quality performance, rugged construction, and dependable precision for everyday cooking. Number 5. Portable Induction Cooktop 20 temperature and power levels, 1800W single burner electric cooktop with 6.8-inch heating coil, hot plate with timer. This 1800 watt portable induction cooktop is designed for users who want fast, efficient cooking with simple controls and precise heat adjustments. It's best known for offering 20 temperature levels, 20 power settings, a 6.8-inch heating coil, and a built-in timer, giving home cooks the flexibility to prepare everything from delicate sauces to high-heat stir-fries. In real-world use, the cooktop heats compatible cookware quickly, reducing cooking times while using energy more efficiently than many traditional electric burners. The wide range of temperature and power settings allows users to fine-tune cooking for boiling pasta, frying eggs, searing steaks, simmering soups, or keeping food warm before serving. As with all induction cooktops, users must have magnetic cookware such as cast iron or induction-ready stainless steel. Non-magnetic cookware made from aluminum or glass without an induction base will not work. Overall, this portable 1800W induction cooktop is a smart choice for American buyers who want an affordable, portable cooking solution with precise temperature control, fast heating, and dependable everyday performance for home, travel, or small space living. Those are my picks for the top 5 best induction cooktops. I hope this comparison helped you find the perfect cooktop for your cooking needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.